Let me show you how to set the travel and force limits on your Guardian overhead garage door opener.
You can do this with the door down or up, it doesn't matter. First thing you'll do is locate the white limit button right here. You're gonna press that button, and first the green indicator light is gonna light up next to up. You're gonna press and hold up and bring the door up to the desired open position that you want. In most cases, you're going to want to just have it be level across the top. Once it's there, you're going to press the limit button again. Then yellow's going to flash OK, then both will light up. You're going to press limit, then press limit again. Now that the red indicator light is on, next to down, you're going to press down and hold it until it gets to the desired down position that you want. And I want my down position to be right about there. A quick note is you don't want your rail to be bowed up too much when you do this, because that means it's pushing too hard. So once you have it down to where you want it, you're going to press the limit button again. The yellow light's going to flash, both the green and the red light will light up, and then you'll press the blue force button. And once you do this, the door is going to adjust its force limits all by itself. So you're just going to push it, and now you just let the opener do its thing. So we'll come up. Now it's going to go down by itself. And it's adjusting how hard it needs to pull the door up and push the door down.
Once you hear the beeps and you see the light flash next to OK, you know that your travel limits and your force limits are set, and you're all done. If you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.